Not all Mercedes C-Class models are created equal, and assuming that the three-pointed star automatically guarantees a great ownership experience can be a very expensive mistake. Over the years, the C-Class has gone through major changes in technology, engines, and design philosophy. And some of those changes made the car better, while others introduced serious compromises in reliability, maintenance costs, and long-term ownership satisfaction. In this video, we're breaking down the 3 worst Mercedes C-Class models you should avoid in 2026, cars that look great on paper but can quietly drain your bank account, and the 4 best C-Class models that truly deliver the Mercedes experience people expect. Understanding the right generation and the right version is the difference between owning a refined, reliable luxury sedan and ending up with a car that becomes a constant source of frustration. If you're considering a Mercedes C-Class, this breakdown will help you make the smart choice before spending your money. The 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300 marks the very first year of the W205 generation, a model that completely transformed the C-Class in terms of interior design, technology, and overall image. On the surface, it looks like an incredible deal. Modern styling, a high-end cabin, and all the features people associate with a newer Mercedes. The problem is that this first production year essentially served as a real-world testing phase. Early W205 models suffered from widespread quality control issues that were only corrected in later years. Owners frequently reported interior rattles, especially around the panoramic roof, electrical glitches with the early infotainment system, and inconsistent behavior from sensors and software. The M274 2.0-liter turbo engine paired with the 7G-tronic transmission also lacked the refinement expected from Mercedes, feeling rough at higher RPMs and less smooth than later revisions. Reliability data and owner reports consistently show that the 2015 C300 has a higher rate of complaints compared to 2016 and newer models. While it may tempt budget-focused buyers with its modern look and lower price, the 2015 C300 is best avoided. It offers the appearance of luxury, but too often delivers the ownership experience of a beta version that can quickly turn into an expensive headache. The 2016 Mercedes-Benz C450 AMG Sport is a perfect example of how confusing product positioning can ruin an otherwise decent car. Built for just a single model year, this version was Mercedes' attempt to bridge the gap between a standard C-Class and a true AMG, but it ended up pleasing neither audience. On paper, the C450 looks appealing, with strong performance, AMG branding, and a more aggressive setup than the regular C300. In reality, it sits in an uncomfortable middle ground. It is not a full AMG, yet it carries higher maintenance costs, added complexity, and ownership expenses closer to AMG territory. The confusion didn't stop there. For 2017, Mercedes rebranded the car as the C43 AMG, instantly turning the 2016 C450 into an orphan model. That single-year production run hurt resale values and created long-term market uncertainty. Buyers often struggle to understand what the car actually represents, which directly impacts demand in the used market. Maintenance costs are noticeably higher than a C300, while performance doesn't quite justify the premium when compared to later C43 models. For buyers chasing performance, a proper C43 makes more sense. For those seeking value and reliability, a well-chosen C300 is the smarter option. The 2016 C450 AMG Sport ends up being neither, making it a risky and often disappointing ownership choice. On paper, this should have been the most impressive C-Class ever built. In reality, it became the most controversial. The 2024 MercedesAMG C63 SE Performance marks a radical shift in philosophy. abandoning the iconic V8 that defined the C63 name in favor of a turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid setup. While the numbers look incredible, massive horsepower, advanced hybrid technology, and cutting-edge engineering, the real-world experience tells a very different story. The added weight of the hybrid system strips away the agility and raw character that AMG buyers expect, making the car feel heavy and overly complex for its size. Even worse for longtime enthusiasts, the emotional connection is gone. The handcrafted V8 soundtrack that made the C63 special has been replaced by artificial sound enhancement that feels disconnected and synthetic. Beyond the driving experience, long-term ownership raises serious concerns. The complexity of the hybrid system introduces higher repair risks and unknown durability over time, especially once warranties expire. Reviews and owner feedback consistently show that while the car is fast, it fails to deliver the soul, excitement, and authenticity that justified the C63 badge in previous generations. For buyers prioritizing technology and efficiency, this model may make sense. But for anyone seeking true AMG character and long-term ownership satisfaction, the 2024 E63 represents a step in the wrong direction, making it the worst C-Class choice on this list. After looking at what can go wrong, this is where the C-Class finally shows how good it can be when everything is done right. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz C300 represents the most refined version of the current W200 6th generation, benefiting from early production lessons and delivering a level of technology and interior quality that would have been unthinkable in a compact Mercedes just a few years ago. Step inside and the influence of the S-Class is impossible to ignore. The cabin feels modern, premium, and well-executed, with a large vertical central display, a sharp digital instrument cluster, and an interface that finally feels intuitive rather than overwhelming. Under the hood, the 2.0-liter M254 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system delivers smooth, effortless power while improving efficiency and eliminating the rough start-stop behavior that plagued older models. The driving experience is quiet, refined, and confidence-inspiring, exactly what most buyers expect from a daily luxury sedan. Reviews and early ownership data consistently highlight improvements in build quality, software stability, and overall reliability compared to early W206 examples. This is the C-Class for buyers who want the latest Mercedes technology, strong efficiency, and a polished ownership experience without stepping into unnecessary complexity. It may not be the most emotional C-Class ever built, but as a modern luxury sedan, the 2025 C300 finally delivers on the promise of the current generation. This is where the previous generation finally reached maturity. By the time the 2019 and 2020 Mercedes-Benz C300 arrived, the W205 platform had already gone through its learning curve and most of the early reliability and software issues were fully resolved. What you get here is a well-balanced C-Class that combines modern design, proven mechanicals, and strong value on the used market. The facelift brought meaningful updates, including improved interior materials, a more refined infotainment system, and the newer M264 2.0-liter engine paired with the 9G-tronic transmission. The result is smoother power delivery, better fuel efficiency, and a noticeably more polished driving experience compared to early W205 models. Ownership data and long-term reports consistently show higher reliability scores for these final production years, making them far less risky than the earlier versions. For many buyers, this is the sweet spot, modern enough to feel current, refined enough to feel premium, and old enough to avoid steep depreciation. If you want a Mercedes C-Class that delivers the traditional luxury feel without the complexity of the newest systems, the 2019-2020 C300 W205 stands out as one of the smartest choices available. This is the modern AMG that still understands balance. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG C43 represents the ideal middle ground between everyday usability and genuine performance, avoiding the extremes that made other variants less appealing. Instead of chasing headline-grabbing complexity, this model focuses on delivering speed, control, and refinement in a package that actually works as a daily driver. The turbocharged four-cylinder engine with electric turbo assistance provides strong, immediate power without the excessive weight and complexity of a full hybrid system. Combined with the standard all-wheel drive setup, the C43 feels agile, confident, and composed in all conditions. What truly sets it apart is how livable it is. Ride quality remains comfortable, interior refinement stays intact, and the car doesn't punish you during normal commuting. Performance testing and owner feedback consistently show that the C43 delivers most of the excitement people expect from an AMG while remaining far more practical and reliable than the flagship performance models. For buyers who want a sporty Mercedes that still feels premium, usable, and trustworthy long-term, the 2025 C43 hits the sweet spot almost perfectly. This is where everything came together perfectly. The 2019 to 2020 Mercedes-AMG C43 represents the final and most refined version of the previous generation performance C-Class. And for many enthusiasts, it marks the end of an era. These were the last C43 models powered by a V6 engine, and that alone gives them a level of character and emotional appeal that newer four-cylinder variants struggle to match. The M276 V6 delivers strong, linear power with a deep, authentic exhaust note that feels unmistakably AMG without crossing into the extreme costs and compromises of the V8-powered C63. More importantly, this engine has proven to be one of the most reliable, high-performance powertrains Mercedes has produced in recent years. Combined with the mature W205 chassis, updated interior, and resolved early-generation issues, the 2019-2020 C43 offers an ownership experience that balances excitement with peace of mind. It feels fast when you want it to, comfortable when you need it to, and engaging every time you drive it. Long-term ownership data and specialist feedback consistently point to these models as the most dependable performance-oriented C-Class ever made. For buyers who want real AMG character, strong performance, and long-term reliability without stepping into unnecessary complexity, the 2019-2020 AMG C43 stands as the smartest and most satisfying choice on the market. The Mercedes C-Class can be an incredible car or a very expensive mistake, and the difference comes down to choosing the right year and the right version. As you've seen, some models introduced unnecessary complexity, rushed technology, or lost the character that made the C-Class special, while others delivered the perfect balance of luxury, performance, and long-term reliability. Buying smart means understanding these differences before you spend your money. Choose wisely, and the right C-Class can reward you with years of refined, enjoyable ownership instead of constant frustration.